Hey guys, today on Dark Dean Gaming we're unboxing two booster boxes I had ordered online of Elemental Evil, Icon of the Realms. I found two boxes on Amazon and they're really hard to find apparently, besides the other Icon of the Realms booster boxes. So today we're just opening two. Waits. Okay, I guess. See what we get. Can I even get this one? Okay, box one. Let's go and look at the smalls first. First small one, it is the Cernivillin Rogue? Yeah. So he's got like a little hammer. Next is the Gold Dwarf Guard. So it's like female dwarf, and she's got like an axe. Next we have a Arkansas Rogue. So it's got that like light bluish skin. Got the Neverwinter code. Then we have the Eden, which has the ties on it. Careful with this, 'cause I don't want to break it. The Etten, so it's like two-headed. Got like a bone club and a spike wooden club. Okay. Now on to our second box. I know we didn't get some things that we wanted, but, you know, it looks like this. I got a pit on the stand. It's the fire bat. How are you supposed to put it on there? There's like no really hole in here. Unless it's broken. So I might have to glue it. But, okay. Next one. We have the Earth Gensei Fighter. This one's a small one. Okay, move. I think this is the Magman. Yep, Magman. And our large big. Get out. It's got that tie. Is the Haro Sphinx. So that's cool. I gotta put on the face. There we go. So I was hoping for some elementals and the owlbear, but these are only 2 boxes I could find so far online. So if you would like to see more unboxings, like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll try to get boxes of what I can find, like sets that I mostly am trying to get certain things in. If anybody knows where I can find some more elemental evils to where I can get the elementals and the owlbear, just let me know. Anyways guys, I gotta go. Subscribe, give me a like, hit that bell, and until next time, see you later guys, bye.